Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial we are going to start talking about the list view in Act Premium Cloud. Now I'll tell you, even if you're an Act desktop user, a lot of the things you'll see in this video or series of videos will be the same. There's subtle differences between the web version and the desktop version, but having said that, the fundamentals are the same. So anyway, we're looking at a contact right now by the name of Kender. And we are looking at what's called the detail view. And I know that because this is highlighted in blue, or the color blue. List view is another way of looking at information in our Act contact. Now, one of the things I want you to recognize is we have a lot of fields here. And we have fields down below. We have these user fields that are built into Act. We have contact access fields, more fields. So there's all kinds of fields in Act. But when we're looking at, for example, any tab and we don't see those fields, sometimes if we want to see them in a grander scope, a bigger list, we can use the list view. So I'm going to go up and click on list view, and there's a couple things I want you to think about when you look at this. First and foremost, what you see in the list view is different than what you see in the detail view. There might be less information or potentially more information here because we can add fields to this list view. I'll show you how to do that in another tutorial. On that note, when you look at the list view, you'll notice we have a couple hyperlinks here. The first one is Kender. His name is hyperlinked. You can click on it to go right to Ken. You can also initiate an email by sending it right here by clicking on Ken's email address. I'll have you observe there's some things up here called tag mode, tag all, untag all, lookup selected, omit selected. We'll get into that stuff and some of the other things here you can do. But when you're in a list view, if you want to get to a contact specifically, you just click on the contact's name. When we go back to Ken, I'm going to go and do a lookup, and I'm going to go look up all contacts. Now, when we do this lookup, we are going to get that Ken is 7 of 5,557. But now I'm going to click on list view. One of the things the desktop version does a little bit different is if you do a lookup and there's multiple people in that lookup, in other words, more than one person, it will automatically go to the list view. Here, to see the list view, I have to click on it. So now we're going to see we have the list view here, and I want you to observe there's all kinds of names here. There's companies over here on the left, and we have some contacts where their name appears to be blank. That just means there's nothing in the contact name. So when you're looking at the list view, you have more information to sort of dissect or grab information that you need moving forward. And we're going to go into a little more detail in this and how to work with the list view in the upcoming tutorials that I'll be creating. So I want to thank everyone for being here. Everyone be well, and I hope you're having a good day. You have a great day now. Thank you. Bye.